Hi everybody, this is Hans with ListingsMagic with another update for you guys. This is regarding our new video intro tool. Just to remind you, if you didn't know about the release of this new tool, yesterday we launched a new option for you that gives you the ability to record a video open house that we're calling the video open house right off of your phone. And so we're trying to make it easier. It was easy already, but we've made it even easier and improved it a little bit, and so we're going to talk about what that means. So first of all, let me show you what a sample looks like, just so you're aware of what we're talking about. So I'm going to refresh this particular tour. This is an actual agent. The response has been fantastic. We're seeing tons of agents. They're going out and creating these videos, but we wanted to again make it easier, so I'll show you what that's going to look like here. But this is a video tour.
Welcome to 3401 West 94th Avenue in Westminster, Colorado.
Turn the audio down. So you can see he's doing a video. You can actually go into full screen mode as well and watch the video tour in full screen mode. Great quality. I'm going to escape out and go back to the tour itself. So once you're done, when somebody's done watching the tour and you close it down, it's going to go right into the standard tour effect. So whether it's Ken Burns or the slider, whatever other options you have in place, we'll start that portion of it. If somebody wants to watch the tour again, they can do so by clicking on the video tour intro. So that's the way it works. Let me turn off the audio on this. And so how do you go about doing this? So we've made this very easy. So for managed properties, you're going to go into the property drop-down and choose whichever property you want to work on. And to make it easy to find, we've put it into option 1. Again, this is obviously sort of an emergency situation that we have implemented this, so we just want to make it easy for you guys to find it. So it's going to be in the record and embed option here. And if you want to record from the device that you're on right now, you can click on add video and it'll pop open a screen that would allow you to record from here. But we also wanted to give you the ability to send it to a cell phone. So what I'm going to do is show you how you can send this to yourself, to your phone. You don't need, the reason being, you don't need to be logged into ListingsMagic at all. That was one of the kind of current limitations from yesterday. And you just click on send. And I'm going to also show you from my phone. I've got a tool called Visor that I'm using to show you my screen. So if I come over here, where's Visor? There it is. So now you're seeing my screen. So I just got a brand new text message. I'm going to open that up. I'm clicking. So the screen you're seeing, this little side screen, is actually my phone screen. So I'm going to show you the text that I got. I've been sending this to myself a few times here. Don't worry about the question mark. That's actually going to be updated and changed. But the link itself is all you need to worry about. You click on that, and now you've got the ability to record directly from your phone. Make sure you orient it the way you want to orient it, and then come over here and do record from camera. The other update is that prior to the updates we made, if you did record from camera, it was going to be a selfie camera that was being used, the front camera, and now it's going to be using the back-facing camera. So you just click on, I'm like wanting to do it from here, but I'm going to click on my phone. And once you're done, you simply record whatever video you want to record. Obviously, you would go around the house and do what you needed to do. Again, you're seeing my screen on my phone. And once you're done, you have the option to accept, review, or re-record. If we click on accept, you just have to let it complete its process here. It's published, and it's going to update here shortly, depending on how big the video file is. And so just give it a little bit of time, and then you'll see the update occur here, and it's all set to go. So now the video shows up, and now you can actually see what that looks like in the tour. So I'll come over here and refresh this tour. And there's the video.
Record whatever video you want to record.
That easy. So how easy is that? This is a phenomenal tool for you to use. Again, send it to yourself, or we have had agents that have said, maybe my sellers can record this. How do we allow them to record it and not have to send them ListingsMagic login information? So that is the way that you do that. Once again, a quick review of how this works. Go to Manage Properties, choose your property, go to option 1, send yourself or whoever is going to do the video, a text message and let them record. It's that simple. Any questions you guys have for us, send them to support@listingsmagic.com. Send a ticket in to us. You can also chat with us live here during normal business hours, 9 to 5 Mountain Standard Time. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.